again with string 2 count code in Java for coding bat. And this one's a little bit weird. It is looking for the number of times that the string code appears, except it's not really looking for code. It's looking for any word that has CO and then whatever letter it wants for that one. So it can be any of the 24 letters. And E will be the last one. So we are looking for a 4-letter word. So we can still do this pretty easily. It's just going to be a little tedious. So we're going to use a count variable. Declare it an int. We're going to go through the string. So for int I equals 0, I will be less than the string dot length because we don't want to go past however long the string is. We're going to go up by 1. The I is going to reference the character that we're at in the string. And we're going to basically check. I'm going to do a bunch of, I could do 3 separate if statements. I'm just going to do a bunch of ors in my if statement. So I'm going to check if the substring from I to I plus 1. Whoops. You know what? Actually, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I haven't done this yet. I'm going to do char at. Char at just is checking for that character, and since it's a char, chars are stored using values. So the letter A actually has a numerical value, so I can use the equal sign. So I'm going to see if the char at I is equal, and chars are single quotes. I'm going to see if that one is C. And 2 ampersands for and. I'm going to copy this guy and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to see if I plus 1, so the next letter after the letter I'm on, so if I'm at the first letter, it's going to be the next one, is O. That's a 0, sorry. And now remember, it didn't care about the third one. So the next letter would be I plus 2. So I actually am going to do I plus 3 to get that 4th letter. And we're going to see if that 4th letter is an E. So remember, we don't care about the 3rd letter. We only care about the 1st, 2nd, and 4th. If they are, I'm going to increase my count by 1. So count plus plus. And close on my for loop brackets. And then I'm going to return the count. Oh. Brackets if, hold on, either missing a bracket or something somewhere. CR to chart I equals C, and let me see if I put curlies here. I don't think that'll matter, but oh, that's why. There was an extra bracket there. Sorry. Okay, so went out of bounds because that plus 3. So remember, we're going to go and we're going to minus. That's char at, so I'm going to minus 3. It's slightly different than using the string, the substring. Char at, I'm going to go exactly to that letter there. So we want minus 3, not, I think minus 2 would mess things up. Yeah, you need minus 3. So char at, you want to be exactly that, the one you want to stop at. All right. Again, any questions, leave a comment, or if you're actually one of my students, I'll see you in class or send me an email.